Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the FireX extension for the Chrome browser, allowing you to perform online activities anonymously and securely through the browser using a proxy. Let's get started. Go to the extension store and install FireX. Click on the extensions icon and select FireX Proxy. A window will appear showing all your proxies. Currently, no proxy is configured. To set one up, click on the plus button. First, select the protocol type. Then, in the address and port fields, enter the IP address and port of your proxy. For a private proxy, enter your username and password below. After that, click Add. The browser may request additional permissions. Confirm to grant them. From now on, visiting sites through the browser will use the proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.